Editing checkout page on Squarespace is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you're going to choose the website that you want to edit the checkout page for, and once that's done, this is what your dashboard should look like. Now on the left sidebar, we're going to go to website. On the website, we're going to go to pages. Now on the pages, we're gonna go down to the bottom of the page where we see system pages. We click on that and we click on checkout. Now on the checkout, if you look at the left sidebar, you're gonna see styles. Now this is where you can edit the checkout page. You can edit the colors, the button color. You can decide to show your site logo or not, and you can do all sorts. And just as you style for the desktop version, you can click here and also style for the mobile version also. And that's how you edit checkout page on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.